Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add pages with your camera on the Signature application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Tap on New PDF file and click on the button Add down below in the left side corner and click on the first option, Add Pages with Camera. Then, after allowing the app to have access to your camera, position the document in view and click on the white button down below. After that, drag near corners to adjust and click on Keep Scan down below. After that, if you are ready to insert it, tap on the button Save down below again in the right side corner of the screen, and then your picture will be inserted. As you scroll down, you can find it here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.